In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book overnight parking on SpotHero. SpotHero is a convenient service that lets you reserve overnight parking at various participating garages, hotels, airports, and parking lots. This is a great option for your peace of mind when traveling. You can easily search for the dates and times you plan to leave your vehicle parked overnight. Let's dive into the steps to get your parking spot reserved. First, open the SpotHero app. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store. Once it's open, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface. You'll notice the search bar prominently displayed. This is where you will enter your destination. This step is crucial because it ensures that you find parking in the right location. The app will guide you through the rest of the process smoothly. Next, sign in to your SpotHero account, or you can continue as a guest if you prefer. Signing in gives you access to your previous bookings and preferences, making future reservations quicker. However, continuing as a guest works just as well for a one-time reservation. After you make your choice, you will be ready to enter your destination. Now enter your destination, hotel, airport, or address into the search bar. It's important to be specific, as this will help narrow down your options. After entering the destination, the app will begin to search for available parking spots. This step makes sure that you are looking at parking facilities that are close to where you need to be. From there, set your arrival date and time. This ensures that you have a reserved spot when you get there. Make sure to choose a time that allows you to arrive comfortably. You wouldn't want to rush, especially when traveling. Setting this correctly will save you a lot of stress later on. Next, set your departure date and time for the following day or whenever you plan to leave. This is essential for overnight parking reservations. Having the correct departure time ensures that you are within the limits of your reservation. Failing to do this may lead to additional fees, so take a moment here to double-check this information. Once you have everything set, tap Search. The app will now display a list of available parking options that fit your criteria. You will see various options showing prices, locations, and features. This search process is designed to give you a range of choices to fit your needs. Now browse the available parking options and select one that allows overnight parking. Look for indicators on the listings that specify overnight availability. This is particularly important to ensure that your vehicle is secure for the duration of your stay. By paying attention to this detail, you can avoid any inconvenience. After selecting a parking option, review the parking details. This includes checking for any overnight restrictions, access hours, and entry or exit instructions. Understanding these details is critical to ensuring a smooth parking experience. You want to be fully informed about when you can enter and exit the facility. Next, tap Reserve or Book. You will be prompted to confirm your choice. This action officially initiates the reservation process. After you tap this, you'll be one step closer to securing your parking spot. Then enter or select your payment method and complete your purchase. You can use a credit card or other payment options available in the app. Completing this step finalizes your reservation. It is also a good idea to keep an eye on your payment confirmation for your records. Finally, open your parking pass and follow the instructions when you arrive at the parking facility. This pass contains essential information that will guide you through the entrance process. Make sure to have it handy when you get there. Remember, not every facility allows overnight parking, so always check the details before booking. Additionally, entering and exiting within your reserved time is crucial to avoid extra fees. Most reservations can be modified or canceled up until the reservation start time, depending on the facility's policy. Enjoy your secure parking experience.